Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to contact Happn customer service. To get started, let's open Happn app. This is your home page. You can see the profile picture on the top right corner. Tap on it. Now click on the Edit My Profile. Here scroll down. Now let's say you want to change your gender, then click on it. Here you can directly contact with customer service. Tap on Contact Us. So in this way you can contact customer service directly on Happn. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel.